Solvers have become the go-to tool for serious poker players over the last few years. Especially GTO Wizard has set the standard. It is an amazing tool and has helped me a lot to understand how to proceed in many spots at the table. Even as a live low-stakes professional player who relies mainly on exploitative strategies, I use GTO Wizard all the time. There is only one problem. It is not exactly cheap. Even the cheapest version of their subscription costs $39 per month if you get an annual subscription. But if you're a beginner or intermediate player, you can use it for free and get similar output from the software as you would with a paid version. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to best use the free version to improve your theoretical understanding of poker and ultimately make more money. I will show you exactly how I used GTO Wizard before I got a paid subscription, and at the end of the video I will tell you the one feature that everybody can use completely for free and without any restriction. And that one is so important that if you use it well, poker will feel easier than ever before. There are three main tools for beginners and intermediate players on GTO Wizard. All of them have full functionality in the free version. The only thing is that there are restrictions, but if you're clever, you can still get a lot out of them. So the first tool is the Spot Study Analyzer, how I call it. I don't know what the official name actually is, but this feature is amazing. You can have the solver show you the best lines for every spot you could think of, from pre-flop to the river. You can play around with different flop textures, stack sizes, raise sizes. You can even solve for different rake structures. This tool is particularly useful if you played a hand where you feel confused. For example, say you were on the button and 3-bet King 10 offsuit against a cutoff raise when you were both 200 big blinds deep, and you then turned your middle pair into a bluff on the river when the flush came in. You can see that already pre-flop you were only supposed to 3-bet your hand 6% of the time, and this led to mistakes along the way. As always, the idea is not to copy solvers blind, but to get a feel for what the GTO line would be. In this case, it might well have been good to 3-bet King 10 offsuit pre-flop if you knew that villain would either overfold to 3-bets or call you down lightly. In the free version, you only get to play one hand per day post-flop, so this won't be great if you have a bunch of hands that you would like to check. However, this is what I used to do. When I played live, I would write down all the hands from a session and then analyze one hand every day. If you don't play on a daily basis, this should be enough. But on to the second really powerful feature, and that is their trainer. Here you can preset whatever scenario you would like. For example, c-betting as the button against the big blind. You can either just choose a random flop or a paired one or a monotone one or a flush draw one. You then get presented with different options of what you would like to do with your specific hand. When you click on an answer, the software will tell you how good your choice was. If you get 2 green ticks, then you chose the preferred option. 1 green tick means your choice was okay, but not the most used one. Yellow means inaccuracy, and red options are wrong moves and the feared blunder. But that's not all. At the end of the hand, you can go through it again and see what line would have been the best. And if you click the study icon, you can see exactly what your entire range would do in that specific spot. It's actually incredible that you can use this for free. You get to practice 10 hands for free every single day. So here's what I used to do. I would pick a topic of the week, say button c-betting against big blind. For about 4 or 5 days, I would pick random flops and I would take notes and develop heuristics like on paired flops, I bet a high percentage of hands for a small size. And then the next couple of days, I would drill more specific flops like flush draw ones or ace high flops or middleish connected ones. Of course, you can progress much quicker with a paid version, but if you want to use it for free, you can still improve fairly quickly. And it teaches you discipline because you don't get to use today's freeze attempts tomorrow. So it's best to get into a routine and do these drills for a few minutes every day. If you follow this routine for a few months, your understanding of poker will skyrocket. And then there's the third big feature that you can use for free, the analysis function. This works best if you play online and you have a tracker like Poker Tracker 4, but you can do it for live hands too, even though it's a little bit fiddly. But with Poker Tracker, it's really easy. You just copy and paste the hand details from your tracker into the GTO Wizard analyzer, and it will tell you where you went wrong. It uses the same tick system as in the drills. With a paid version, you can analyze your entire database with hundreds of thousands of hands, but with a free version, you only get 5 shots per month. Yes, 5 per month, not per day. So use this one very scarcely. If you play a lot of poker, this might not be enough for you, but as I said earlier, you can use the spot study analyzer every day, and that basically does the same thing, except that you have to input all the data yourself rather than copy and paste it from a tracker. But now to what I think is the most powerful tool of them all. And for that we have to go back to the feature I showed you at the beginning. Remember, I said that you can have GTO Wizard solve one hand for you every day. Well, that is true for post-flop spots. But when it comes to pre-flop, then you have unlimited access. That's right, you can practice as many pre-flop spots and scenarios as you would like without any limitations. This might sound mundane to you, but pre-flop is the most important street, because if you make a mistake pre-flop, these mistakes will compound on later streets. And pre-flop is the easiest street to study. So here is how I study pre-flop. First, I just go through the opening ranges of all positions. If you want to learn a hack how to memorize those ranges, then I will leave a link to that video in the description below. Once you know those ranges, you can see, for example, what your 3-betting range on the button would be against a hijack open. You can go through all sorts of positions and try to understand what the patterns are. Then you can go through the 4-bets, and ultimately you can see what hands you would go all in with in what position. I have made extensive use of this free feature, and I still try to study pre-flop play a few minutes every day. So if you don't have this powerful tool yet, then register with the link in the description below, and if one day you want to upgrade to the paid version, you will get 10% off your first purchase as long as you have initially registered with the said link in the description. And if you want to check out even more free tools that help improve your poker, then this is just the video for you.